In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Google Calendar in WordPress 2025 quickly and easily. Whether you want to display your event schedule or share a comprehensive view of your availability, embedding Google Calendar into your WordPress site is a versatile way to keep your audience informed. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring it's as smooth and easy to follow as possible. First, we need to get our Google Calendar embed code. Open Google Calendar in your preferred web browser. Now focus your attention on the left panel where you will see a list of your calendars. Hover over the calendar you wish to embed. You'll notice 3 dots appear next to it. Click these dots and then select Settings and Sharing. You're now headed in the right direction. Next, scroll down until you see the Integrate Calendar section. Here, you'll find a box labeled Embed Code. Copy the code provided within that box. And here's a little pro tip. If you want the calendar to match the aesthetics of your website better, you can customize its size, color, and view by clicking the Customize button. Spend a few moments tailoring it to fit your design preferences. Now that we've secured our embed code, let's move on to the WordPress embedding process. Start by heading over to your WordPress dashboard. At the top left corner, you'll notice a plus icon, often referred to as the block inserter. Give that a click. This action will bring up a variety of options. You should dive into the widgets section. Within widgets, you will find an option labeled Custom HTML. Click to add it to your page or post. With Custom HTML in place, paste the Google Calendar embed code that you copied earlier. This action inserts your calendar into the designated area on your site. But before you wrap things up, it's always a good idea to take a peek at what your audience will see. Click the preview option to review. Adjust any final details to make sure everything is displayed perfectly. And there you have it, a fully embedded Google Calendar in your WordPress site, carrying your own stamp of customization and style. This method not only allows for easy calendar sharing, but also seamlessly integrates your personal or professional schedules with your digital presence. Thank you for joining today's tutorial. Feel free to explore other features and customizations available within both Google Calendar and WordPress to enhance your site's functionality. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be embedding like a pro. Until next time, take care.